Hello guys, my name is Alex Onya. I'm a tech researcher at Robotics Center, Lagos. Robotics Center is the first high-tech research lab in Nigeria. And what you see here is exactly what you see at a research lab in MIT. So basically what we do is to be able to work on amazing stuff and see how we can be able to get them done as fast as we can. Right now, what we are working on is an automated ventilator system. We all know of the current pandemic, the coronavirus. And in Nigeria, or even in Africa, we are lacking ventilators. And even the foreign countries who normally help us in situations like this don't even have enough. So what are we doing now? We had to task ourselves. And with our knowledge of engineering and medicine, we were able to develop a ventilator that can work, especially for the COVID-19 patients. So this is something really amazing. We're actually trying to make it very, very affordable, and it's going to be in the market soon. So this is basically what we worked on. I would like to show you exactly what we worked on so that our engineers can actually explain to you the technicalities behind our invention.
This is a ventilator system. This is a very unique design. We've designed something that will generate oxygen continuously. You don't need any external supply of oxygen anymore. With this, you have a constant supply of oxygen. Looking at this system, all we did here is that we have the molecular sieve beds. These are the two molecular sieve beds that contain zeolite. So the moment air that is being trapped through the compressor here that keeps pushing in natural air into the system, the zeolite tends to attract the nitrogen content of air and allows oxygen to pass through this to this valve. You can see the solenoid valve here. That's the solenoid valve for the automation and controls. And then we have sensors inside here. There is a sensor here that monitors the oxygen level that is being generated. This system has been designed to generate up to 92 to 98% oxygen. And we also have in this system the humidifier here. You can see this ensures that the oxygen that we've generated is not a dried one. So this oxygen flows through this pipe and then comes to the back valve mast here. Let me on it here. We build a control that will enable you. That's the control. You can increase the speed, you can lower the speed. That's the control board. We use Arduino for a test run. We have a better mechanism that will do this. We're still building. So when this oxygen that comes to the back valve mast comes in here, there's a reservoir section in this place. And then when this back valve mast is being compressed, the oxygen comes through this pipe here. We introduce a filter. You can see another filter here. This filter helps to ensure that any impurity found in the oxygen here is actually removed. Then the oxygen flows through this place to this point. We are using a non-invasive mask to test run. Of course, for the invasive, all you need is to remove this, and then you plug in your invasive pipes here that goes to the lungs of the patient. Then this other pipe is the expiration pipe that helps the air you breathe out, the carbon falls that goes out through this pipe. We intend to introduce a lot of sensors in between this pipe here. We intend to introduce the pressure sensor. We intend to introduce the humidity to measure the level of humid air, humid oxygen present in this pipe. We also intend to introduce a solenoid valve for a better feedback and control. Currently, Engineer Maker is still working on some of the sections of the project. As you can see, that's what he's doing now. So, at the end of the day, the plan is that this system will continue to supply oxygen to the patient non-stop. There is no issue of power supply. You have a battery backup. There's no issue of insufficient oxygen. We have a system that generates oxygen. And automation and control, we are already taking very good care of it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chukwemeka Nwocha Jr. And for the project, I'm in charge of programming of the boards, interfacing of sensors we're going to use for the project.
I am Engineer Gideon. I'm in charge of motor controls and researching of the right sensors to be used for a particular operation in the project.
Hi guys, my name is Henry Ali. Actually, I'm in charge of mechanism fabrication. My job is to ensure that all the ideas put together are fabricated together in one particular unit.
Hello, I'm Engineer Michael. I'm in charge of using the 3D printer to fabricate and produce different models. I also use the laser machine to cut different electronic parts in the ventilator.
Now, you've been able to see the amazing ventilator that we've developed at the center, but this is just one of it. We have a lot of amazing products that we've left. Right now, we have the thermal helmet that we're developing for the police. We also have a temperature device. But one amazing thing about some of the things that we develop at the center here is that we're trying to bring everything very, very cheap and also easily available for Nigerians and also for some of us in Africa. So at the center, we are very, very deep in artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine learning. And these are the things we do. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.